Yeah, so when you look at MIST, right, MIST has really started with two missions in mind. One was around trying to build a solution that could really answer questions on par with a network domain expert, think wireless Watson. And the other mission we were on is really to see if we could bring indoor location on par with GPS. So this really required kind of a wide range of skills, and we were really looking for a partner who could help bring those skills and really bring a startup spirit to the party. And so what we found at Talentica was, one, is they had access to people who really had that startup spirit, right? We needed to work with someone who had the same startup energy we had. Talentica brought that to the table for us. And they were also able to bring the skills we needed to really build the solution we wanted, right? We were looking for skills across data science, AI, cloud DevOps, UI, embedded team. And that's what Talentica was really able to bring to MIST. Yeah, so what we have found with Talentica is that they really fit into what we call the MIST culture. When we started MIST, we had three parts of our culture. One was around family comes first, and this is really making sure that we had a good family life for everyone working there. And second was around transparency, that we be honest with each other working on the team. And third was really around what we call the 24-hour escalation rule. We got stuck. And we found that Talentica fit that culture very nicely. It was part of the family, right? We felt like Talentica, when we visited each other, they were just part of our family and our engineering team on getting our job done. And second was transparency. We had no fear about sharing what needed to be done with Talentica. And third was really around whenever there was a problem, we had no problem getting hold of Talentica, and Talentica would help respond immediately. And that was really the startup spirit we were looking for in a partner. Well, in terms of innovation, we have found Talentica to be a key part of our innovation strategy. When you look at MIST, we're actually developing a data science AI solution that can really answer questions on par with network domain experts. And at Talentica, we have set up an entire data science team that's actually contributed to our IP portfolio and actually can take on whole problems from start to finish in a data science model. So we found Talentica to be a great, excellent partner in being able to bring that solution from start to end, including the IP that goes along with it. And so as I got to know Talentica over the last 4 years or so, I would describe Talentica with family, right? And that is part of what you want in a team, right? Ultimately, when you're working on a startup, it's basically an ultimate team sport. And you really need that feeling of a family and the trust of a family when you're working on a 4-year mission to deliver a solution to the customer. So I would see Talentica as being part of the family at MIST, and Talentica has actually been a key part of our engineering team. So family is really the word I think of when I think of Talentica. Yeah, no, as you can imagine with any startup, right, we have endless technology problems or technical problems on any given day. And Talentica has been a key part at all aspects of the company, whether it be from our cloud technical problems and scaling the company. Talentica has been key in actually getting all our databases to scale correctly in the cloud. When you look at the data science problems we're working on, Talentica has helped us technically solve helping estimate throughput and internet speed across our solution. When we look at the mobile applications that we're using in our location solutions, Talentica has been the key developer of all our mobile app technology. And that ranges from solving problems on how do you actually rotate a map inside of a building, right? And that's the technical problems that we've been able to get from Talentica and helping to solve some very difficult technical problems that we face with our customers. So Talentica has been with us since the beginning of the MIST adventure. And over the last 4 years, together we have built a very successful company. And we look forward now, we're nearing the next phase of the company where it's really going to be about scaling the business. And what we look forward with working with Talentica is really scaling those teams together, right? Whether it's the customer success team or the QA DevOps team, we look forward with Talentica to really start scaling the business and growing with us into the next phase.